The Biomimic Foundation 4-in-1 Medium Spectrum Foundation by Forever Bloom is a newly developed color makeup foundation that is moisturizing, even skin tones, and contains color mimic technology. Its advanced luxury formula is free from parabens, phthalates, and artificial fragrances. You'll love the nourishing, lightweight feel of the Biomimic 4-in-1 foundation. You'll also love how it delivers a glowing and illuminating finish. It's safe for all skin types, made in the USA, and sweat-proof for even the toughest workouts and activities. Plus, it's rated SPF 50, so you can stay protected when enjoying a sunny day. You can start enjoying all that the Biomimic Foundation 401 has to offer in mere moments. Simply apply evenly on clear skin before sun exposure, and then rub in a circular motion with your fingers until it matches your skin tone. Shop now for the Biomimic Foundation 4-in-1 Medium Spectrum Foundation. We're sure you'll love it. In fact, here's some of what our customers are saying. Jin W said, "A friend of mine introduced this product to me and I had to buy it right away. I've been using it for the last 2 weeks and my skin feels and looks great. You get great coverage and sun protection all in one. I'm hooked for life." Sonia P said, "I have been using the Biomimic Foundation 4-in-1 Medium for over a year. I love the lightweight feel of the foundation. The moisturizer and sunscreen is an added benefit. At Forever Bloom, your satisfaction is our highest priority. Our premium foundation was formulated with the highest quality ingredients and equally high standards to deliver the desired results your skin needs. If you don't like your results using our foundation, you will be fully refunded, no questions asked. So check it out today and add the Biomimic Foundation 4-in-1 Medium Spectrum Foundation to your collection."